All right, y'all, it is Vital Virtual, and this is going to be a series of videos. Don't mind the unsturdiness. I am holding my phone right now, or holding the camera rather. Series of videos just to break down a document that can be found on my website called the Platform Playa. Quick synopsis of the Platform Playa. It basically is a list consistently updated with the most up-to-date research of platforms like social media platforms, connection platforms, platforms to stream, and how you can use them to benefit your business. So the breakdown to use, I love acronyms, understand social engagement. All right. And so bearing in mind that I do things for businesses, brands, and individuals, because I do believe in working realistic and practically. Today I wanted to go ahead and break down Instagram. So Instagram, we'll start with the basic definition. It's a fun and creative way to capture, edit, and share photos. Duh, we know that. I mean, you go down your Instagram timeline, you can see everything. You see ads now. You see people with common interests. Like, you see all types of stuff, right? So that's like the definition, so to speak. If you were to go like into your app store, look at the developer synopsis, that's basically what it would say, right? All right. And it could be described as a social networking service. It launched 2010 in iOS. Now, you may ask, why is iOS underlined? So iOS is underlined for a key reason, and we need to take heed to it and use it in comparison to what is going on now. So if you're familiar with Clubhouse, which I will be moderating in Queens Teach Queens room for the month of April. Check my calendar, drop April 1st, 2021. Tomorrow, drop in the calendar. Whoop, whoop. Anyway, okay. So I heard the promo. Anyway, so iOS, right? Clubhouse launched in iOS initially, okay? Understand that Instagram, at the end of the day, is an application, right? It's an application. It's not a website. It has turned into a service, but it's an application that provides a service. So just understanding in what it is and understanding the platform of which that it was available could help you better understand how to help you, your business, or your brand, right? iOS is a commonality when it comes to platforms. Android, people use Android, don't get me wrong, but you will notice that most businesses and brands, developers, mostly launch on iOS initially. And I'll get the metrics because I do have them written down as far as against how many apps are launched on iOS initially against the Google. So that's something to remember. Like, that's something totally to remember. That iOS, if you're thinking about an app, that may be where you want to start. In getting some developer credentials there. And we'll talk about that in another video. So now, breaking Instagram down within itself, you'll notice you have post, story, reels, and live, and you're like, what the hell is that? I mean, sure, you've seen it. It gives you all these options when you click into each of these frames. So in posts, obviously, you can do a single photo, or you could do multiple photos, right? So multiple photos, they're good for like posting albums, common interests, maybe like inspirational posts, common products, or just something with a common theme, right? Single photos, you want to take note of something special. You want to just single something out. You want to bring attention to a particular thing, place, or person. Single photos are awesome, right? So your posts, and I'm going to break these down. Your posts right here, you'll notice that they reel themselves, all of your posts, into your timeline, right? So your timeline is the post that you see from other people, obviously. So other people see your timeline. So understand that for you, posts filter into the timeline of others, okay? And that's helpful as a business brand or person, because that's what you want, right? Okay, now, multiple photos, same thing. here's the thing. When we get to story, this is where it gets good. You can do a boomerang. My business bestie loves those. And honestly, I really had not tussled with them until they showed me how it works. So kudos to them. Kudos to them. With that having been said, we use boomerang, right? Then there's also layout. Layout's so great. Think of it like a newsletter in a picture, right? So maybe you want to talk about something. Like today, for example, is National Crayon Day. One of my lovely business besties, dipped in color, you know, I'll use her as an example. Layout, she might do a layout of like one of her dope coloring pages, a pack of her custom crayons, and just letting moms know like, hey, it is National Crayon Day. So like that's something that you would use for layout for it, like a picture newsletter, right? Now, multi-cap level and photo booth, super zoom and hands-free are going to be your capture types, right? So how you capture your story. Now, I'll say that Photo Booth is a tool also affiliated with Mac. It's the application on Mac that is the camera. So if you're ever looking like, damn, I just got this Mac, how do I do a video? How do I take a picture? Go to Photo Booth. Super Zoom and hands-free are going to allow you to be your back-end man. Now, obviously, I'm not using Super Zoom or hands-free right now because I'm pre-recording this video. But you know what I mean. Put that good phone, tablet, camera, computer up where you're going to put it up and do what you need to do. And you can also, get it together and shoot your video, your promo, whatever, right? Now, Reels, let me take a step back. Your story and Reels are going to filter, right? They're going to filter into two places if you do it right, basically. Story and Reels will filter, obviously, into Reels. Story is going to filter to the top of others' timelines, right? It's going to filter to a search if I'm looking for something in particular, right? And it's going to filter to Reels if it's a pretty long story, right? Now, Reels now offers a remix option, much like TikTok Duet. So that'll be a useful business tool if you ever need to. Please understand the main focus of Vital Virtual is it is vital to be virtual. So if you need to partner with someone and they're abroad, or if you need to partner to preserve social distance, Remix is a great tool because it allows you to do that together. Basically, it allows you to make reels with friends. That's the best way I can describe it. Now, going live. This is my favorite one, okay? Going live has so many possibilities. Here's some quick live tips, okay? Live and fundraiser actually stream here, okay? This is their direct stream. Live will stream here, okay? They will also come up, if you're currently live, obviously, in your story, it will show that you are live, which will be at the top of a timeline, which if someone's searching for something in particular, they'll see in that moment, right? It'll also show in your activity on your reels. In shop, you have the ability to do live shop. Again, that's another story for another day, but that's definitely a service that we offer. Ask HSN at Her World. We pulled that off. We did that in January. Check the footage. And so that's the beautiful thing about live, right? So with that having been said, for live, you can play with the title. You can play with your background. You can really take advantage of the things that it offers you. Because the greatest news about live is they don't have to be quick. You can have a live that will translate to Instagram TV from 1 to 60 minutes. That's the cap, right? Which then you can add to your story highlights. And it'll always come up when people go to your profile. So, with that having been said, that's how those things filter, right? And just showing you how the symbols look, kind of. Please don't mind my drawing. All right. When you're looking at it on your devices, right? All right. And as I said at the top, take advantage of green screen. Not enough of this. I offer custom virtual backgrounds. That doesn't just apply to Zoom. It doesn't just apply to WebEx. It applies to these networks too. So take advantage of that. Like, always be Brandon, ABB, always. Now, as far as Instagram within itself, there are other things that, of course, their focus is. Now, for business, I believe in business pie, promotions, insights, and education. And Instagram provides support for business pie. They give you, you can look at your mentions, followers, brand verification, if you have enough followers and enough, verified postings. And then they also give you a professional dashboard, which is there to educate you on new features and how they benefit you with videos and articles and things like that. So I urge you to take a look at that. Last but not least, we want to take a look at when I put information on Instagram, my content. I'm not a good person that remembers to post everywhere. So how can I work realistic and practical? Well, Instagram will forward your information. They will forward it to your additional Instagram accounts that are linked. They will forward it to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and a neat feature that I'm sure that most are not aware, they will do alternative text for those with visual impairments. So what that means is that they will provide text to describe your picture to those with visual impairment disabilities, which basically means, you're reaching everybody. So again, I just wanted to provide this quick little video, the first of many, of the platform Playa. This is a series. It's to use. Understand your social engagement as a person, business, or brand. And yeah, it's B, and I am signing out.